Bacoor City Mayor Lani Mercado and Davao de Oro Representative Manuel Y. Kurat have joined Lakas-CMD. Lakas-CMD President and House Majority Leader Ferdinand Martin Romualdez administered their virtual oath-taking on April 28 along with 15 other politicians. The wife of Senator Bong Revilla had been a member of PDP-Laban. The Lady Mayor is now Lakas-CMD's provincial head in Cavite. Zamora, on the other hand, was appointed as Lakas-CMD's head in Davao de Oro. But he remains a member of Hugpong ng Pagbabago, the regional party led by Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte. The 15 other politicians who joined Lakas are
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.